At Belfour, we understand that disasters come in many forms and levels. Whether it's a house fire down the street or a Cat 5 hurricane affecting several states, Belfour's preparation is unparalleled, pulling resources both nationally and internationally. Belfour is globally known for being experts in reconstruction, structural dehumidification, structural cleaning and decontamination, water extraction, mold remediation, document recovery, and machinery restoration. The Belfour family. Thousands of employees, hundreds of offices spanning 29 countries. Belfour is not a franchise. We are one company with one philosophy and one goal. Getting you back in your home or business is our business. Our fully staffed, state-of-the-art Central Command Center is located in Belfour's 100,000 square foot regional hub in the northeastern United States. The Central Command Center houses millions of dollars in equipment, from storm tracking technology, servers, live video monitoring to corporate headquarters and other distribution centers throughout the world, as well as direct communication via satellite to the mobile command center, located on site at the heart of the disaster zone. From this one center, Belfour can run an entire event from the pre-planning to the job implementation. Our highly trained mobilization specialists are constantly monitoring the event. They are strategically positioning resources just outside the impact zone, so Belfour is ready to respond to the affected area and be most effective in recovery. Everything necessary from manpower, equipment, resource management, fuel, hotels, housing, safety, medical services, and storm tracking are carefully controlled and implemented from our Central Command Center. Our clients are counting on us to stay one step ahead of the disaster, constantly monitoring the storm, tracking its direction and strength, and how it directly affects their homes and businesses. Every day that goes by can feel like a week. We understand that time is of the essence, not only to you, but to your customers. That is why Belfour is there 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We do not beat the clock, we manage the clock. When we arrive at your location, all of the preparation, the implementation, the mobilization, and the resource management all add up to the promise fulfilled. The Belfour promise is to strive to do our very best every time, to ensure your best interest is always at the forefront, to stand behind our word, and to give you our all, every second, every minute, every day.